important points. In today's globalized business world, effective communication is paramount. This is where Business English comes in, a specialized skill set that equips professionals to navigate the specific language used in corporate environments. Why is Business English important? Enhanced communication. Business English equips you with the vocabulary, grammar, and communication styles necessary to clearly and concisely convey your ideas in professional settings. This fosters collaboration, builds trust, and avoids misunderstandings. Increased credibility. Strong business English skills project professionalism and confidence. This can significantly impact how you're perceived by colleagues, clients, and potential business partners. Career advancement. The ability to communicate effectively in English opens doors to new opportunities. Many companies operate internationally, and business English fluency is often a key requirement for promotions and leadership roles. Global business landscape. English is the dominant language of international business. Mastering business English allows you to participate effectively in meetings, presentations, and negotiations on a global scale. Improve client relationships. Strong business English communication fosters trust and understanding with clients. You can effectively present your ideas, negotiate deals, and build strong, long-term relationships. Key skills developed through Business English. Writing. Crafting clear, concise, and persuasive emails, reports, proposals, and presentations. Reading. Comprehending complex business documents, contracts, and industry publications. Speaking. Delivering confident presentations, participating effectively in meetings, and conducting successful negotiations. Listening. Actively listening to understand key points, identify client needs, and respond appropriately. Business vocabulary. Mastering industry-specific terms, professional writing styles, and appropriate use of formality. Beyond the basics. Business English goes beyond grammar and vocabulary. It's about understanding business etiquette, cultural nuances in communication, and adapting your style to different audiences. Benefits of investing in Business English training. Increased confidence. Improve communication skills. Boost your confidence and ability to excel in the workplace. Enhanced marketability. Investing in Business English training sets you apart and increases your value in the job market. Improved networking. Effective communication skills allow you to build stronger professional relationships and expand your network. Global career opportunities. Business English fluency opens doors to working with international companies and pursuing global career paths. Getting started with Business English. Online resources. Numerous online courses, tutorials, and podcasts can help you develop your business English skills. Professional training. Consider enrolling in specialized business English courses offered by language schools or corporate training programs. Immersion. If possible, seek opportunities to immerse yourself in a business English environment through international work assignments or conferences. Read industry publications. Reading business news websites, reports, and industry publications can expose you to relevant vocabulary and writing styles. Remember, continuous learning. Business English is an ongoing learning process. Stay updated with evolving industry terms and communication styles. Practice makes perfect. Seize opportunities to practice your business English skills in your daily work environment. Embrace the challenge. Learning business English can be challenging, but the rewards in terms of career advancement and global opportunities are significant. By investing in business English, you equip yourself with a valuable skill set that empowers you to thrive in today's dynamic business world.